Hello everybody. Lesson 4 is a continuation of Lesson 3, which is to create a honeycomb using hexagon prisms. The folding of a hexagon prism has been demonstrated in Lesson 3. Here is the folding diagram. We have 7 valley folds with equal spacing, and we can use this folding to make a hexagon prisms. The math of honeycomb is a fun exercise of arithmetic. Let's start with the first hexagon cell and build more around it. A hexagon has 6 equal sides. Only 6 cells can be placed around it. There are 6 cells in the first ring. As we build the second ring, we counted. There are 12 cells, a factor of 6. As we build the third ring, we found that there are 18 cells, also a factor of 6. Do you see a pattern here? For the fourth ring, can you guess how many cells are there? You probably already figured it out. It has 24, also a factor of 6. For the ninth ring, how many cells are there? Because of the pattern of factor 6, we can predict there are 54 cells in the ninth ring. Building a honeycomb requires some planning. If we want to build a 9-ring honeycomb, how much paper do we need? To determine the paper quantity, we need to add up all the cells in each ring. That's quite a mathematical exercise. You may think, oh, that's too much addition, but there's ways to simplify it. Because every number is a factor of 6, we may apply the distributive law of multiplication. We may multiply the factor 6 at the end of all the additions. You may think there's still a lot of additions. We may further ease the calculation by making scale. Look at the 9 numbers. What is 1 plus 9? That's 10. What is 2 plus 8? That's 10. What is 3 plus 7? That's 10. What is 4 plus 6? That's 10. Plus 5, that's 45. Now the calculation is more manageable. This is 45 times 6 equal to 270. Also, don't forget the center cell. The total amount is 271. Through planning, we know we need 271 pieces of paper to make a 9-ring honeycomb. Next is a challenge for the genius. It is your turn to use the creative thinking and unleash your imagination. Create your own unique honeycomb.